to my channel. Yes, it is time for a Temu haul. You guys, I absolutely love Temu. I have found so much stuff for Temu that I absolutely love. I use some of their stuff every single day, especially if you guys know me. I am a YouTuber. I have an Etsy business. I use some of that stuff for my Etsy business like every single day. And I have a couple hauls for you guys, so you definitely want to check out the next couple videos that I post. But today's haul is going to be just for kids. So I try to categorize all the items that I get so I can share with you guys in case you want to watch a specific video. But my kids are going crazy. They're like, Mom, can you open this stuff up? We want to play. We want to play. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got with my Temu haul. Now, can you believe it? But Temu has been around for 1 year already. 1 year. They're having their anniversary sale coming up, and they want you guys to download the app if you haven't already. I actually have the app. I love it. But if you download the app, you guys want to download the app and you want to put a special code. You want to put DKD8744. Now I will have it below, but you guys just have to enter the code, and when you enter the code, you will get a $100 coupon bundle. Not $100 off, but a coupon bundle. But like when I open this up, it says 200, so I'm not sure what it is, but it will take you guys to all the stuff that I will be showing you in the next couple videos. Now, some of this stuff may or may not be sold out when you look at it. You can always come back. They do offer free shipping, which is awesome. But like some of this stuff is super cool, and you can definitely check out everything that I got. They also will have exclusive deals that is only available in the app. And they also will have dollar deals. So they're having a lot of dollar deals that is only exclusively in the app. So if you guys have been trying to look at Temu, definitely download the app. You can add everything to your cart. You have an option if you don't want to purchase everything in your cart. You can check it off where it will not come on that bit, which is kind of cool. I just learned that. But yeah, and then another thing about the app is you guys can actually do reviews. What I do is anytime I'm buying something or anytime I'm looking at a product, I always rely on the reviews, because there's some stuff that you're like, okay, this is what I thought it was, and then that's what it was, and it was a complete disappointment. So make sure you guys are always reading the reviews for anything. But yeah, so let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got. You can check it out in the app, and if you don't want to check out in the app, you can definitely check it on the website. I will have the links below. I do have all the prices for you. Now the prices will fluctuate by the time you maybe buy it or not. They do change. I know from some of this stuff I was looking at, the prices did change, but let's just dig in and I can share with you guys on that. So this is something from my childhood. This was $1.99. My son has been begging for something like this for a while, but it's basically one of those little tennis balls where you got the two hand mats and you just kind of catch it with the Velcro. I played with this when I was a kid. This is like the color of what I had. So for $1.99, I thought this is a cute little thing. The weather's finally cooling down, hopefully, in our area, and then right now is a great time to like play with the neighbor kids, and the kids can all play. So I thought that would be a great thing for the kids to play for $1.99, and it's actually a pretty decent quality. I mean, it's pretty decent quality for $1.99. Now my son is obsessed with Mario. It's Mario this, Mario that. We just went to Universal Studios. We got to meet Mario. We went on the ride. And he wants anything and everything Mario. So he was looking, when I was going through my stuff, and he really wanted the piranha plant from Mario. As you see, he's wearing a Mario shirt. But this was for $5.49. I mean, it's just something little simple, little stuffed animal. He's obsessed with stuffies, so he definitely wanted to get this. But he's pretty excited for that. Another thing he is excited for, which I'm actually excited for, this is a Nintendo Switch game holder. Game holder. So this was $6.49, and what it is it holds all your Nintendo Switch games. Now he's a person who brings all the cases everywhere we go, and it's like, don't bring all those cases. We have a holder for him, but he doesn't like putting it in here. But there was a couple different designs to choose from, and this actually looks like, hold on, this actually looks like it's a good quality. It's got like that rubber feel to it, and you can fit 12 games in here. So all he has to do is just put his little Switch games in there and snap it shut, and it's easy peasy. He can put this in his backpack. Yep. So there's that for you. So he's all a happy camper that he got his Mario stuff. Now my son wanted some sunglasses like what I had, and I'm like, the sunglasses that I have are kind of girlish, so I'm like, let's get you some sunglasses. So these were $3.59. I thought if he ruins them, they're cheap enough that if he ruins them, it's all good.
Because I already have another pair.
Yeah, you got another pair, but it's always good to have a pair in each vehicle. So, okay, hold on, you guys. So here, Ben's got to be a cool dude. Those are kind of cool. Try them on.
You look like the same one Daddy's got me.
Yep, put them on. Let's see how cool you are. For $3.59, you're a cool dude. And so then I saw this. Now my daughter is obsessed with strawberries. My daughter is obsessed. Can you guys be quiet? Okay, go upstairs. My daughter is obsessed with strawberries, and I thought she would love this purse. So this purse was $5.49. She's 4 years old, going on, 13, 14 years old. And it's a cute little strawberry purse. It's a vinyl purse. And then it does have the straps inside. We got the nice little gold straps. Otherwise, you could always change the straps, or if you want to do like a fabric or something. But it's got little hooks right here. And I thought that's a cute little purse for her to have. Like, she is obsessed with strawberries. If you guys have watched me, I've gotten strawberry sunglasses. I've gotten strawberry this, strawberry that. But can't go wrong with a strawberry purse. So we got that. I also got, my son loves these like things. They call these like sensory things, but this was $3.99. But it's one of those little water, there's 3 colors in here. Or does it change colors? No, it's just blue and pink, and then it looks like it mixes colors, but it's one of those little sensory things.
I like the light. It feels like, it looks like
yeah. Then I found these. These are Bluey stickers. So this was $1.69. These were basically stickers where it comes with like the Bluey characters, and then they can put like their own faces on it. So I see, this is Janet's eyeglasses. We got Janet. I don't know who that is. So.
No, are those Margie glasses from
now they're Bluey, but they might not be full Bluey characters. Mommy, okay, there's Bluey, but it doesn't look like Bluey.
This one looks like SpongeBob.
Yeah.
SpongeBob.
So, we got the pink poodle. So I thought these would be cute. Charlotte's obsessed with stickers, so she can play with the stickers up there. Then Ben got this little grippy thing. These are for your Nintendo Switch, but they go on top of the controllers that move. And he's obsessed with Ditto. Ditto is a Pokemon, and he saw these. He's like, Mom, I really want them. I thought it was a 2-pack, but they actually come as a 4-pack. So I don't know if you guys can kind of see it. He's going to show you guys on his Switch what they look like. But these were $2.99. It says it's made from high quality silicone, but he was super excited to get it for him and his friend. But yeah, it's like a silicone, but it's like basically just kind of moves these around. So that was something that's cool. So we got that for him. I found these little, I tried requesting this stuff before we went to Disney, but I ended up getting these little hair clips. These were 99 cents. They're just like little Mickey Mouse pink little hair clips that like snap right on your hair. So I got that. I got this little cute little bento container. So if like Ben ever wants to go on a lunch, or if we're ever traveling and I need to bring snacks, this is a great thing. So I can put goldfish in here. I can put crackers without stuff getting all smashed up in bags.
I can take to Carter's house when I can. Yeah.
So this was $8.99. It was available in different colors, but I thought, I love teal. My son loves teal. So I had to get something like this for.
Yeah, it's perfect.
And you can also use it for a lunch box too.
When I go.
But I mean, ooh, it's got like a silicone top to it. Yeah.
I like any kind of blue.
So it seals really good. I mean, it seals really good on the top, and then you lock it on.
Lock it, pop it, snap it, lock it.
Yeah. So, little tiny little bento lunchbox. And then my son wanted these. These are for what goes in your Crocs, but he also has like a Croc kind of bracelet. something like this with just the holes in it, and his grandma, did you get this from Grandma and Grandpa?
Grandma.
Yeah. So Ben saw a whole bunch of different controllers, so he wants to put it on his little bracelet or his Croc shoes. But like some of them are like little game controls. One says game over, which I dropped it on the floor. I see a Nintendo thing, but these were $2.59 for a 20 pack. A 20 pack of little gaming systems. So Ben got that. Charlotte's always wanted me to do stuff with her hair, so I ended up just getting, I don't know how many are in here, 200 pieces of little hair ties. 200 pieces of little hair ties. You can't go wrong with that. I mean, 200 of them for her hair. I mean, they look like there's little, they stretch actually pretty good. They look like they won't pull her hair. So, 69 cents, can't go wrong with little hair ties. And then I got a couple more things. I ended up getting this little balloon dog. I think these balloon dogs are so adorable. So I ended up getting this. This was 89 cents, but it's a little keychain. I thought if the kids want to keep that on their backpack for when school starts, kind of cute, kind of cute. And then the last thing I got was something either for Ben, my children, or myself. Now I have ADD, and I've noticed that it's good to make lists. Now this is a chore chart. Now they have different kind of chore charts. I forgot to see what the price was.
Hey, this is the same one. It's a different color.
Yeah. This is $1.81. $1.81 for this chore chart. And one thing I like, it comes in different colors. I intentionally got it for Ben in blue, and then I wanted to change my mind. I thought it opens, but maybe it doesn't. I thought you could change the paper in here. But what I was gonna do is, like, here it says brush teeth, brush hair, make bed, and then you like check it off when you've done it. But what I thought it did is I thought it came with separate pieces of paper. I thought this opened. Looks like it's like glued shut. But I was gonna make my own thing, like, you know, my daily chores that I need to get done, because my ADD helps me not get my stuff. I'm not ADHD. But I thought this would be kind of cool. This is a little bit on the chintzier side. They do have better ones, but I might just make my own labels and put the labels over on the top if I can figure out if this opens. I thought it did. Yeah, it does. So you just take this off, and then you can change this, or you can flip it around and write your own things in here. But yeah, so not the greatest quality, but this will do something for how I want to get my stuff done for the day, because I suffer from ADD and all that stuff. So that was it. So that was everything that I got for the kids haul. You definitely want to check it out, see if there's anything you want. I will definitely have the links so you guys check it out. Download the app, use that code, and you guys can definitely get a lot of the same deals. Check out the app because they have a lot of dollar deals going on. But make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Thanks Temu for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys during my next haul. See you later. Bye-bye.